Now I'd like you to imagine fish in the ocean. There are big fish, medium-sized fish, and little fish. The big fish feed on the middle-sized fish. The middle-sized fish feed on the little fish. The little fish perhaps feed on the plankton and other microscopic beings, but everything is feeding on something else. It begins to grow into a fear-based polarity of service to self. The little fish are not dancing out there saying, "Come and eat me, I want you to be fed." They're holding themselves separate and trying to hide. And they're busy eating the things that are smaller than them. Fish, a very elementary second density life, have not yet moved into anything akin to a positive polarity. But there is the possibility for the fish, if it can be eaten without heating that which eats it, to advance its polarity, to merge with that which has eaten it, to find some joy at supporting another life form, and slowly there's a progression from that neutral polarity into positive polarity. So fish do not start as a negative polarity, they start as neutral. But because of the experience of the fish, it's easy to inch off into a negative polarity.